So what you do is just go to this website to get the save editor. So once you go to this website, all you do is just go find Windows if you're using Windows and then download it. Now when you download it, make a folder called, Dying Light 2 Save Editor or whatever. So just right click on the empty space, go to new, and then folder. And then when you do that, you can just make a folder right there and just place the save editor in there. And once we do that, go where your folder is. And when you go here, just go right click it and extract here. Now once we're here, all you have to do is just keep clicking it until you get to this bin. And when you get here, just click on editor. And it's okay if it says this, don't worry. It's completely safe, I promise. But basically, click where it says more info, and then you can click on run anyway. And once you get here, all you have to do is just click on new. And once you do this, you can actually go to your save file location from clicking one of them if you want. Or you can actually just go to your save file just from finding it in general. And if you just want to find the save file in general, basically all you do is just open Steam. And once you open Steam, just right click on Dying Light 2. Now go to manage, go to browser local files. Now once you're here, just click on the top where it says Steam. And once you go here, just click on user data and then click on your Steam ID basically. This is basically your main demo. And once you go here, just find the last 3 digits that say 380. That's pretty much what we have to have. So once we go to this folder, just keep clicking until you get to save. And when you get to that save folder, this is basically where your save is. So you just pretty much drag and drop your save to wherever you can access it, or anywhere you can get it. So once you get access to your save file, basically just open it up inside the save editor. So just go to your save, and once you go to your game save, just open it. Just put any name you want, doesn't matter. And then once you do that, this is basically your game save that you can edit to however you want it. So you can edit the collectibles, you can spawn anything you want as well. You can add things to your inventory, you can edit your cache, you can do anything you want. So once you got everything you want, just click on where it says file on the top and click on save. Once you save it, you just pretty much got your game save modded. So just load up your game and then now you got your game modded. Just make sure your Steam Cloud save is turned off because it will override it. So that's all you have to make sure of. And other than that, that's it. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, anything you want. You got any questions, just let me know. See ya.